Hello, we are here with a new video, and the video is about how to create a rating system in Excel. These are the ratings for a course which is Power BI, and these are the participants. So what we need to create here a star, so that number is converted into star here. So 5 star here, 1 here, and then we will be uh, uh, preparing a summary for the results. So first of all, what you need to use the rept function, rept, rept. Then you hit double quotes, and then what you need to do is to hit the window and dot button, and this will bring images into play. Here you need to search for star star and then select the star, click here, double quotes, and then comma number of times. So number of times is this number, and we are here with the number of stars. And then what you need to do is to go to the bottom of the right side at the end of the cell and then double click it. Now let's create a summary here. So what we need to do is to pick the unique list from here, but it's not sorted correctly, so we need to sort it from through ascending order. Let's use the sort option, comma, and then comma, and then the order, so ascending order, and then close the function, enter. Now we have the rating sorted by ascending orders. And then we need to do count if function, count if, this is the range, select it, and then what you need to do is to hit the F4 button to lock it, and then criteria is that this to the left side, and then we need to calculate the percentage, so how much of percentage fall in each category, and then lock this one as well. Okay, now choose an extra, and we need to do conditional formatting. So if it's more than 3, highlight is red, highlight is green, otherwise highlight is red. Select it, go to the conditional formatting, new rule. We will be using the use a formula to determine which cells to format. Double click it, and here what we need to do is to select the cells, remove the dollar sign from the row if it's greater than 3. Go here to the font, and font will be green, make it bold, click OK, click OK. Now you are feeling the change. So next time reselect it again, go to conditional formatting, new rule, and then select it again, remove the dollar sign from the row. If it's less than 4, will be turning as red. So now you can change number from here, and it will be updating. So you can add the success score. Success score will be the percentage, this plus this, a 48% success score. Use the white color for that, and then darker. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.